everyone, my name is Kelly and I'm with the Halton Hills Public Library. Today we are going to be making a craft stick harmonica. You will need for your activity 2 craft sticks, 1 piece of paper that is approximately the same size as your craft stick, 2 elastic bands, a toothpick or straw cut into small pieces about this size, and some stickers or markers to decorate your craft sticks. So to start, we will lay one of our craft sticks out on the table like that, and you're just gonna lay your piece of paper on top of your craft stick. Now we have to take one of the pieces of our toothpick or straw and lay it on top of the paper. When you're finished, one piece of the toothpick or straw needs to be above the paper and one needs to be below. And then we'll put the other craft stick on top like that. And now you need to take one of your elastics and just wind it around tightly. So you'll have to do it several times like this, and just keep your craft stick straight. And this just holds everything in place. Just like this. And today I just have kind of plain elastics, but feel free to use colorful ones to make it more colorful. So now that that is done, we'll take our other piece of either toothpick or straw and put it on the other side. So again, just to make sure, one piece needs to be above your piece of paper and one needs to be below. So this one needs to be above. So in like this, just a little bit, in a little bit like that, and then we'll wrap our elastic, our other elastic around as tightly as we can. Oops. Okay, so that is your harmonica. And now you can take your stickers or markers or anything you have at home and decorate. So to play your harmonica, you just need to bring it up to your mouth and blow hard. There we go. So the harmonica plays because your breath vibrates the paper, and that makes a sound that your ears can hear. Thanks for joining me for this activity. Feel free to watch any of the other videos on our YouTube page. Have a great day. Bye.